As the sun sets on this remarkable journey, we reflect on the incredible moments we've shared.
Perfect day, don't you know? Pack your bags, off we go. Burn the maps, burn your cares. Get out the door, I promise I'll be there.
The experiences we've received and the many friendships we've built. Together, we've celebrated the past while boldly looking into the future. We are not just participants, but change makers, inspired to carry forward the values of resilience, excellence, and hope. As we bid farewell, let us carry the light of BISC 2025 back to our home countries. Always honoring our past and embracing the limitless potential of the future. Together, we are stronger, brighter, and united in purpose.